Hello, this is Captain Brad with SD Model Makers, and today I want to show you an unboxing video of a model. This is typically what you'd get from a naval warship model and often for your private vessel models. So, custom-made box for the model. The model will have labeling on it that says extremely delicate, display model, fragile, handle with care, and notice that it's pointing up. That direction is on the sides and also on each end. When you open the box, you will find an inner box. So there's an outer box and an inner box. We're going to take this model out of the outer box. And I'm going to show you that the model is coming out of the box. And this is what we have. We've got a model that's crated inside. What we want to do is take off this top portion. It's taped together. Please be careful not to let this inner flap drop into the model. So I want to support that. And then I'm going to open the model. So here we have a 1/350 scale USS Enterprise model. It's 27.5 inches long. It's mounted on keel blocks. This is a 1943 aircraft carrier. The model is secured with bars that hold the display case. So we're going to undo these wing nuts. And there's wing nuts on each side. Inside the model are additional aircraft that you can put on yourself. So we undo these screws, nuts, excuse me, undo these nuts, and there's a washer on top of each nut, and then we do that for the front section. Again, being careful not to bang into the top of the model and interfere with the antennas or radar or any of the masts and lines and rigging that might be on there. And then when we got those off, we can lift the model up. It's going to be careful not to interfere with bumping into the props. So the best way to do this is to take it at both ends. It's nice to have a second person to do that. Put the model there, and then carefully slide the bars off. Now in this case we've got propellers that are in the way, so we want to be very careful with those and pushing the foam back or perhaps sliding it through. And now we've got your museum quality model ready to be displayed. Often we put the nameplate inside the case, and you can put the nameplate where you want. This customer wanted the nameplate specifically at the port side bow, but if you were to display the model in a different direction, you can move the nameplate any way you want. Information for contract for commissioning your own model, contact us at www.sdmodelmakers.com or feel free to call us in San Diego, 760-525-4341. Thank you. Smooth sailing.